everyone. This is Kritika Khandelwal, the career consultant at your disposal. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a topic which I have been particularly advising to everyone, to my college and school students alike, which is on the need and importance of internship. Now, before we start, what does internship means? Internship typically is sort of a job, but it's not a full-time job. It's like you get some hands-on practical experience about a subject by working with someone in that field. But it's sort of a learning experience for you. So you don't get paid fully and you gain a lot of experience though. And in return, the person who's getting this work done gets a temporary workforce, to help on small projects, etc. Now, you would have heard this topic, internships being done by people in very fancy colleges like IIT and IIM. But here's the great news. Any one of us can do internships. It's really that easy in today's time. And I'll tell you why everyone must do internships in today's time. One, because it adds a lot to your experience. The most important element which is valued by employers, and even if you go for higher education than by college admission teams, is what kind of hands-on practical experience do you carry? What do you understand about the real life, and how is your experience in terms of doing the job? It'll always outweigh knowing about the job. It's like, take any activity, swimming, driving, anything, dancing. We can watch as many videos as we want, and we can, just possibly read everything about it, but we will still not know it till we have done it. Similar is the case for work, and the more we do it, the more we get to understand what it exactly means. And that experience weighs or outweighs the experience of theoretical knowledge any day. So one, of course, is that you getting your experience. Second, many times we have a confusion about whether we want to go for this course or not, whether we want to pursue a particular type of career or not. Internship is like a premiere. You get like a small premiere or a promo of, what that career exactly means and whether you like it or you don't like it. So it's like you do that job for a short while and understand whether you want to do it for a longer term or not. It's basically a fairly simple way to understand if, this is your calling, this is your passion or not. Number three, as you would now know that a resume is a very powerful thing, and it's required when you go to colleges or when you go for interviews, etc., for jobs, for selections, anywhere. And one important element about a resume is how do you build your story. Your resume should stand out. It should have an element which is unique to yourself, and which should be reflective of the fact that you want to do an added value or an additional step. An internship is just the way for it, because trust me, everybody values internships a lot. Number four, for yourself, it might be a much better way of spending those summer holidays and some extra time that you get than wasting it on Instagram and on YouTube or Netflix, because frankly, initially it may be a little difficult, but you will enjoy the process. You will have something to take away from, and it will be an enriched experience, not just from a resume point of view, but also that time would be properly invested in yourself, and I can promise that you will enjoy it. Number five, you never know, you might make, a pocket money out of it, because some internships do pay, and generally if you are doing good work, and maybe not the first internship, but, eventually the second, third internship will pay off. And that extra money you can use anywhere you want. Like it could be like an added pocket money to you. You can, use it anywhere you like. So, and honestly, the feeling of earning is also like great. So even if it's a small amount, the fact that you are making that money by doing some hard work, that means a lot. So, with all these benefits of internship, it's definitely something that you all should pursue and should start looking out. Now, of course, there will be some career types and some topics where this will be pretty easy, like blogging or content writing or digital marketing or social media handling, or something to do with artistic, things, and something to do with marketing the phone call marketing, etc., accounting for that matter. Those are like pretty easy internships to get. Some of them will not be possible. Okay, so if you want to intern as a doctor, for example, you'll have to do a 5-year course, and only then you can do that, because we are handling people's lives. And if you want to be a pilot, possibly there's no internship available, for that. But there are other ways and means to determine if you want to do it and if you really like it. Internships definitely, even for those careers, will help you in creating a perspective and understanding yourself better. So my suggestion again to all of you out there is, do as many internships as you can. Go for it. Just, try and get some hands-on experience, and it'll really add a lot to your personality. And maybe the last question that you all will have is, okay, it's great about internship, but how do we do it? So I'm sharing the top few techniques that seem to be working very, very well with most of the people, but you may have a lot of other alternatives available. First way is to go on some websites like Naukri, Internshala, and there are some such applications which are typically doing a connection between people who need interns and people who can be interns. So typically you simply have to go there, create your profile, and then find jobs. It's as easy as that. A similar way to do it is freelancing. So for example, if you are a designer or you want to experiment with designing, you may do a small course and then you can just become a freelancer. And maybe initially you don't get paid much, but gradually as you start building on experience, it will be a great experience for you. It could be like a side by side kind of thing. You can decide how much time you want to invest on it, etc. The other way is to find some suitable internship around you. So it could be your family, immediate family, like your father has a business and you're doing, some education which gives you some spare time. Nothing wrong in going and spending some time in that business, because that experience will be very, very handy for you. So you could do something like that, or you could find in your near, relatives and friends and family, if there is any opportunity with someone, any place where you can just go and spend some time and learn, because here internship is not about earning, it's only about learning. That is the ground rule of internship. So that's the other way. You can find some such internship opportunities all around you, and if you volunteer for free, if you decide to give your time, I'm sure many people would be interested in giving that learning to you in return of getting some work done for themselves. So it's a win-win arrangement for everyone. I'll end this video again on the same note. Please consider internship as a necessary career step, specifically when you are in your 10th, 11th, 12th or early college years. It's something that will really, really change your perspective and your personality. Okay, this is me signing off. For any more questions on this topic or anything else, feel free to reach out. Thank you and have a good day.